everybody, welcome to this platform. I hope all of you are doing well. Let's provide solution to this question provided right now. We have 3 power m plus 3 power m equals 16. What can we do first? We have to factorize 3 power m because they are the same on both sides. So by factorizing 3 power m, we shall get 1 plus 1 equals 60. Then 3 power m, open bracket, of 1 plus 1 equals a 2, close bracket, equals 60. Then here we shall divide a 2 and divide 2 here again to get 3 power m equals here 30. Then here, what can we do? 3 power m can be equals to 3 times 10. By applying logarithm of 3 power m equals logarithm of 3 times 10. Then here m times logarithm of a 3 can be equals to logarithm of a 3 plus logarithm of a 10. Here we shall divide because we want the value of m, logarithm of a 3, and divide logarithm of a 3, divide logarithm of a 3, so that this will be cancelled to get m equals 1 plus logarithm of 10 to the base 3 as final answer. But you have to check, always check if your answer is correct. We have given 3 power m plus 3 power m equals 60. Then 3 power 1 plus logarithm of a 10 to the base 3 plus 3 power 1 plus logarithm of 10 to the base 3 equals 60 question mark. Then here we know this is equal to 3 power 1 times 3 power logarithm of a 10 to the base 3. Then we have to do it again. 3 power 1 times 3 power logarithm of a 10 to the base 3 equals 60 question mark. This is a 3, of course, times we have same base to mean the answer is this one, 10 plus 3. We have base which are equal, mean that answer is equal to 10 equals 60. 3 times 10 equals 30 plus 3 times 10 equals 30. Answer is correct. Now shall get 60 equals 60. Left hand side equals right hand side. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.